We are now in writing, week 20. It's January 19th through the 22nd. So when we look, we are going to read, plan, write, edit, and revise an informational essay. So you guys are going through the entire writing process this week. We can see that we've combined Thursday and Friday. So let's take a look and see what we're doing on Tuesday. So we are not meeting as a group this week. You guys are already well aware of that by now. You will need this text set on oceans. If you do not have it, it's located right here on Tuesday's folder. Some of you picked that up. If you were here for picture day, it should have been included in a Ziploc bag. So you can either print or locate that text set. Today, so Tuesday, you are going to read and then code or annotate. Remember, that just means basically taking notes on the text and completing your plan. Remember, guys, you need to begin by reading the prompt so that you know what your task or your purpose of your essay is. You can either do the matrix like we've been working on or the simplified plan. Remember, we said that in a simplified plan you have your introduction, your topic for your first body paragraph, the topic for your second body paragraph, and the topic for your third body paragraph, and your conclusion. When you are finished, I'd like for you to take a clear picture of your completed matrix or your outline, so whichever one you choose, whether it's this simplified version or your matrix, and I'd like you guys to upload this here. So you will be given a score on your completed matrix and outline. On Wednesday, if you looked at your weekly checklist, you will see that on Wednesday you do not have any additional reading assignments because you are going to write your essay. So it says here we are not going to meet. Remember, I'm meeting with students at scheduled times to read. Today you are going to complete the writing test. So this is a writing test. You will be given a grade on this. Please make sure that you're doing this independently. It is not going to help you. It is not going to help me if you are receiving help and assistance in writing this essay from your parents or from someone at home. So yesterday you planned for the ocean text set, and today you're going to write that essay, your introduction, your body paragraphs, and your conclusion. You'll see number 3 here that you have Thursday and Friday to revise your essay and make any additional changes and submit your completed essay to the assignment submission link. If you finish that and you go through that revision and editing process today, Wednesday, then you can go through and find on Friday where you can submit that, and you can go ahead and submit your completed essay. So when we open up Thursday and Friday's folder, you'll see exactly what Mrs. Body was just talking about. You're going through, you are going to read it out loud to yourself, make sure it makes sense. Maybe close your eyes and as you're reading think, does this make sense? When I look, I know that last week we talked about that strategy of adding headings, right, above each body paragraph. So read each of those paragraphs and ask yourself, is this paragraph on topic? Or did I include information that is off topic? Did I include information that does not relate to my heading? So then on Friday, you're going to submit your essay here. Again, some of you will already do that on Wednesday if you go through and you do this process all on Wednesday. So that's your week in writing. Let me know if you guys have any questions.